of August, it is me. It is me who has to verify and tally pursuant to regulation. There's a regulation 87.3, which my learned friend Mr. Feroz now took your lordships and your ladyships to. I can do it. If he could do it, why wasn't it said? And if he says he can do it, why do you need a commission of 7 people? Why do we spend so much money, taxpayers' money, on a commission of 7 people? Have 3. This court has ruled that 3 people constitute a commission. Have 3. Why do you need 7? Let's take it further. If it's only him, and according to some of the submissions and arguments that are going to be placed before you, the issue of Schedule 5 regarding quorum, and that he doesn't need quorum, it's only in the normal business. My ladies and my lords, what exactly does the IEBC do? Voter registration, but what is its main function related to? Elections. It is all about elections. That's what they do. I don't believe there's been much boundary delineation, but I will stand to be corrected on that by my learned friends on this side. They may know a little more than that. And so, if it is only the chairperson whose argument is there is 34A, so there is an announcing declaration there, then there is the polling center, and then it comes to him at the tallying center, and he does it. I still go back to 30 billion shillings on an election, and this is what we've got. It's a very sad state of affairs we are in. One man, let's have a commission of 3, going by what he says. Taking it now to the regulations that he relied upon on the 17th, with your lordship's permission, I would state those regulations, unfortunately, when your ladyships and your lordships decided, as my young associates say it in my office, I don't know how they do it, but they say it, Raila and another versus the IEBC of 2017, they claim that according to terminology they use, it's called Raila 2, and then the subsidiary one, the second one that came, when it came for clarification, they call it Raila 2.5. So I don't know why they do that, but that's what the young lawyers do, so I'm going to use their terminology. When Maina Kiai was decided, and this particular Maina Kiai was decided, I believe it was in, I'd written the date down, but Maina Kiai was decided in June 2017. Subsequently, the chairperson of the IEBC came to your lordships and your ladyships asking for a clarification as to exactly how Maina Kiai was interfering with your decisions in Raila 2. It was so clear on what this court said. And the saddest part is regulation 87 that he is relying upon was not brought to your attention, and from 2017 to 2022, all IEBC does is hold elections but doesn't look at its regulations. And are these regulations, are these going to be the mundane matters that the commission has to decide? Because we've been told, besides verifying and telling, the commission does everything, and those are in their submissions. My lords and my ladies, if you look at my written submissions, and I'm going to take you through them very quickly as to, if you look at, and this is, the page numbers are verified, the case numbers, we've put in a bundle of documents. What that statement of the 17th of August said, if you could look at page 8 of my written submissions, at paragraph 19, from about line 18, and this is a quote from the Maina Kiai case. It is, in our view, fallacious and flies in the face of clear principles and values of the Constitution to claim that the chairperson of the appellant can alone, at the tallying center or wherever, purport to confirm, vary, or verify the results alone. This honorable court further said the same thing in the Raila 2.5, which is set out at page 11 of the submissions at the bottom. And you go to page 12, this is at paragraph 20, and it will be paragraph 292 of the Raila 2.5. The failure by the first respondent, IEBC, to verify the results in consultation with the second respondent, IEBC chairperson, before the latter declared them, therefore went against the expectations of Article 138(3)(3)(c). And there are several quotations I have put in there that show that this court has already made the decision. My biggest fault with the IEBC, and it's not particular the chairperson in himself, for 5 years you did nothing. The Supreme Court told you in October 2017, you can't do this. You do nothing. You amend in April 2017, you leave it at that. There's been hardly any amendments. It doesn't matter who's the Kenyan voter. IEBC, chairperson, we own this. It's an independent commission, but they have to work within the ambit of the Constitution. My ladies and my lord, I'm just going back now. Like I said, I have 15 minutes, and I think I'm going to be at a space where I'm going to be a very patriotic Kenyan, and I'm going to donate the time back to the court, because I don't think I'm going to take the full time to finish my submission. I'm